Hey everybody, it's Jeff from New York, and today we're back in Atlantic City. We're going to check out the Marina side of Atlantic City today. We're going to check out the Harrahs Hotel and Casino. Right now we're on the Atlantic City Expressway, but as we get closer to Harrahs, we're going to be passing the Jersey Atlantic Wind Farm. Located at the wastewater treatment plant in Atlantic City, the Jersey Atlantic Wind Farm consists of 5 380-foot turbines capable of producing a combined 7.5 megawatts of power, enough energy to power approximately 2,500 homes. Coming up here on the left is the Borgata and Water Club, and off in the distance on the left-hand side, the blue building, you can see the Harrahs Hotel and Casino, and on the right-hand side, that tan building, that's the Golden Nugget. The marina area that we're heading into is several miles from the iconic Atlantic City Boardwalk. I plan on visiting both Harrahs and the Golden Nugget today. I'll park probably at Harrahs, and you can easily walk over to the Golden Nugget. It's about, I guess, a quarter of a mile away. And then I'm going to head over to the boardwalk for some special projects. But this video in particular is going to be all about Harrahs Hotel and Casino. A little bit about this hotel and casino. The casino is one of 3 in the Marina District. As I mentioned, the Borgata and the Golden Nugget are also considered the Marina District. Harrahs was the first to be located in the district and remained the only resort there until Trump Castle, which later became Trump Marina, which is now the Golden Nugget, was opened in 1985. Harrahs was the 5th casino to open after legalization of gambling in Atlantic City. Harrahs seems to be an ever-expanding hotel. They opened Saturday, November 22nd, 1980 with a 506-room hotel tower, now known as the Coastal Tower, and became the top-grossing casino in the city. And in 1986, Harrahs opened the all-suite Atrium Tower due to the complex's popularity and the opening of Trump Castle across the road. Another expansion occurred in 1997 with the opening of the Marina Tower. The Harbor, Atrium, and Marina Towers each stand at 16 stories tall, and the Atrium Tower is connected to the Coastal and Marina Towers by hallways on each floor. And in 2002, the 25-story Bayview Tower opened, along with expanded gaming space. Right now we're in an area called the Harrahs Waterfront Shops, where you can treat yourself to a variety of wine, cookware, and gifts at the Viking Cooking School. You can also take some cooking lessons here if that's something you'd like to do. You can also find the latest fashion jewelry and fantastic collectibles from Swarovski, or indulge your sweet tooth at Sugar Squared. Resort Gifts also offers a diverse and unique selection of children's apparel, resort wear, and home decor. You can also find Studio here, which features casual men's and women's clothing. This is 7 Stars Lounge. Harrahs has one of Atlantic City's 2 7 Stars lounges. The other one's located at Caesars. Currently, this lounge is temporarily located in the former Waterfront Buffet. There is no buffet right now at Harrahs, just this 7 Stars Lounge. The lounge offers guests menus with a limited selection of appetizers like cheese plates, assorted dry snacks, shrimp cocktails, etc. They also have sandwiches, soups, and small plates and desserts and things like that. Now, personally, where I think Harrahs really shines is their pool area. One of the best in Atlantic City, if not the best. And yes, I've been to the Borgata's pool and the Ocean Pool. I do think this is one of the best pools in town. And at night, it turns into the Pool After Dark, a huge club scene and very popular. This is the lobby bar, a rather attractive blue-lit lobby bar, which offers a relaxed, casual environment for resort guests to grab a specialty drink or a classic cocktail at their leisure. You'll like the lobby bar for specialty cocktails, craft beers, and unique bar bites. And coming up here is the registration or front desk area of the Harrahs Hotel and Casino. This is Cafe Taza, located in the heart of the hotel lobby here at Harrahs. And you'll love Taza for its quick bites, delectable desserts, your morning pick-me-up, and freshly brewed coffee and espresso. I'll take one of each and a extra large black coffee, thank you. This is Diamond Cove, a high-limit area of slot machines right off the main casino floor. And here we have Harrahs Marina's sports book. This is Clarice, the Miss America crown. She's hidden in all my Atlantic City videos. Sometimes she's easy to spot, and other times she can be quite elusive. If you spot her, leave a comment below on the timestamp where you found her, and you'll get a shout out on an upcoming video. And on the right hand side is Caesars Rewards. That's the Caesars Rewards area, Harrahs being owned by Caesars. And up ahead here is McCormick & Schmick's Seafood Restaurant. The menu featuring a signature fresh fish option as well as aged steaks, poultry, entree salads, and pasta dishes. And while McCormick & Schmick's has great seafood, if it's steak you're actually looking for, Gordon Ramsay has his own steak restaurant upstairs. We're going to pass by it in a little bit. And here is Harrah's poker room. Very busy right now. I believe there's a tournament going on. I got a quick shot of the poker area. Security's kind of heavy right now in this area of the casino. Hey, if you're enjoying this video, please hit that subscribe button and smash that thumbs up. It really does help the channel out. On the right, obviously the casino, and on the left-hand side here we have Eden Lounge, where you can experience the laid-back side of Atlantic City nightlife when you enjoy a cocktail and live entertainment with no cover at Eden Lounge at Harrahs Resort Atlantic City. They have live music and live DJs every Friday and Saturday. I've been hanging out in Eden Lounge for years, and if you're ever in Atlantic City, and particularly here at Harrahs on the Marina side, if you see a guy sitting here enjoying a cocktail wearing a New York cap, you know you found me. This is AC Burger Company. They serve up classic and signature burgers, including the Jersey Devil, which is an 8-ounce seasoned patty cooked to desired temperature. And then they top it with grilled Taylor pork roll, or Taylor ham, depending upon who you talk to. Long hot peppers, provolone cheeses, spicy mayo on a toasty brioche bun. And you can enjoy that burger with a nice craft beer or cocktail while you're overlooking the beautiful Absecon Bay. This is Harrah's showroom, and some of the acts they have here coming up shortly are the Masters of Illusion. Let's see, they do a live Price is Right, which is pretty popular around here. Clint Holmes will be here, Engelbert Humperdinck will be here, Blood, Sweat, and Tears. Deal or No Deal Live, I guess that's like another game show like the Price is Right. Lots of good acts coming, and I failed to mention when we were by the pool that DJ Paulie D from the Jersey Shore gang will have a residency here at Harrahs, and he will be DJing at the Pool After Dark, that pool that we passed by earlier in the video. And as promised earlier, here we have Gordon Ramsay Steak, which showcases prime beef aged for a minimum of 40 days and cuts such as the 40-ounce, that's right, I said 40-ounce, Royal Longbone Chop for 2. I think it can feed a lot more people than 2, as well as American Kobe beef. And here we have a Rum Point Crab House, which overlooks the Baywalk here at Harrahs, and they'll introduce a fresh and delicious crab and seafood concept to Harrahs Resort this summer. And here we have Martirano's Bring Your Appetite, because you'll want to manja the entire menu of Italian classics here. Items such as the eggplant stack, South Philly cheesesteak, rigatoni with Sunday pork gravy, or bucatini carbonara. See why it doesn't get any better than this down-home red-sauced Italian restaurant. Don't forget to check out my book, 50 Attractions and Many Tips When Visiting Las Vegas. It's down at the bottom in the description of this video that you're watching. It's only $4.99, instantly downloaded to your computer, tons of pictures and fantastic tips if you plan on visiting Sin City. And that's it for Harrah's on the bay side of Atlantic City today. What'd you think? Leave a comment below. I'm going to walk under that bridge, which is the Brigantine Bridge, and head over to Golden Nugget. It's a short, nice walk. That bridge leads to Brigantine, a nice sleepy seaside area. Maybe I'll take you guys along for a trip before the summer ends. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.